When cold weather threatens your concrete work, this tool can save time, money, and results. Today, I'm reviewing the Powerblanket MD0304 heated concrete blanket. Even heat distribution. This heated blanket delivers consistent, even heat to help concrete cure properly in cold conditions, reducing cracks and surface damage. Ideal size for small jobs. With 3 feet by 4 feet heated dimensions and 4 feet by 5 feet finish size. It's perfect for sidewalks, footings, repairs, and small pours. Durable, Jobsite-ready design. Built with rugged materials, this blanket is made to handle tough construction environments and repeated use. Energy-efficient heating. It maintains optimal curing temperatures while using less energy compared to traditional heating methods. Easy setup and use. Simply place it over the concrete, plug it in, and let it work. No complicated installation or monitoring required. Helps prevent freeze damage and cracking. Reliable temperature control. Durable and reusable for multiple projects. Best suited for small to medium areas. Requires access to a power source. If you work with concrete in cold climates, the Powerblanket MD0304 is a smart investment that helps ensure strong, professional results even when temperatures drop. Protect your concrete and your work quality this winter. Click the link in the description to check the latest price on Amazon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more tools and job site gear reviews.